Hello everyone, welcome to the world of think, explore, create and innovate. Now let us begin with the introduction of all the components in this Electronics Tinkering Kit Pro Plus. Starting with the breadboard. This is a breadboard. In this the connections are made in two different ways. In the first half, the first 5 rows are horizontally connected and the next 5 rows are horizontally connected, while in the second half the 5 holes are vertically connected. Now to join the components we use these connecting wires. This is a 7-segment display. It is used to display numbers from 0 to 9 and it also displays a dot. In this kit we have two different types of capacitors. This is an electrolytic capacitor while this is a ceramic capacitor. In the electrolytic capacitor, the longer end is the positive terminal of the capacitor and the shorter end is the negative terminal of the capacitor, while in a ceramic capacitor we don't have any positive or negative terminal. This is a transistor. A transistor is used to amplify or switch electronic signals. It has 3 ends, the collector, base and the emitter. Here we use NPN transistor. This is a push button. It is used to switch on or switch off the circuit. This is a buzzer. In this, the longer end is the positive terminal of the buzzer, while the shorter end is the negative terminal of the buzzer. Here, this is a condenser mic. This is a speaker. It is either used to amplify the sound or it is used to generate some sort of a melody. This is a DC motor and this is a fan blade. When you combine these two, then the fan blade rotates on giving the power supply to the DC motor. This is a 9-volt battery. In this is the positive terminal of the battery and the other is the negative terminal of the battery. This is a battery connector. The red wire tells us about the positive terminal of the battery, while the black wire tells us about the negative terminal of the battery. This is a variable resistor. By turning this screw, we can change the value of the resistor. This is a touch sensor. By touching it, the circuit either switches off or switches on. We have two different types of ICs in this box. There is an 8-pin IC and one 16-pin IC. The configuration of these two ICs can be seen in the pin configuration and further the connections can be made. Here we have different values of these resistors. These resistor values can be decoded by the color code resistor. This is a diode. Here, as you can see, there is a grey line on one end. This is the negative terminal of the diode, while the other end is the positive terminal of the diode. A diode allows current to flow in one direction, either through positive terminal or through negative terminal. These are the IR LEDs. One of them is a transistor and the other is the receiver. I have explained to you all the components in this Electronics Tinkering Kit Pro Plus. I hope you enjoy doing the activities and you can know about these components and the activities in their respective activities. Thank you.